These are the three fastest ways to get marketing experience for a marketing job without a degree or clients needed. I'm Chris, and I've been in the digital marketing industry for over 4+ years now. And these are the three fastest ways that I've figured out how to get experience, get that onto your portfolio if you're just starting off and wanting to get a marketing job. So, most beginners fail the marketing job hunt because they don't have experience, right? But you don't really need to have a degree or clients to get started. You can go ahead and just do some projects yourself. You just need proof of execution. And here are some three simple projects that you could do depending on what you're trying to get into, what type of marketing job you're trying to get into. So, whichever of these projects align with the job, go ahead and choose that. But starting off, number one, if you're trying to get into paid ads, you run a paid ads project for maybe $20 or $50, give or take. You can just choose any type of product or affiliate offer that you find and spend about $20 to $50 running a Facebook or a Google search campaign. You might not really get any leads, anything along those lines too much, but that doesn't matter when you're first starting off. You just want to get used to the UI, the user interface, the dashboards, being able to track the metrics, creating the campaign, launching the campaign, seeing the money being spent, um, being able to track metrics. All that is important. And after you've ran that campaign, you want to add screenshots to your portfolio. Your resume, optional, maybe on your online resume, but I would recommend that, on a piece of paper or whatever that you're emailing, you can just have a link to your portfolio there. Bonus is writing a short blog or LinkedIn post, breaking it down on your LinkedIn. So when you do any projects, anything along those lines, you can add that to your LinkedIn, to your portfolio. And as far as putting this on your portfolio, I would recommend Carrd, CARRD .co. It's a very simple, clean website builder, making one-page websites. So there's a free plan or a paid plan. You can use the free plan if you're just starting out. I think it would be a really good place to host all of these projects, whichever one you do. I personally use Carrd to host my portfolio, and yeah, it's very clean, very good interface. So second, if you want to get into SEO, search engine optimization, you rank a blog post on Google. So you pick a beginner keyword, something along the lines of best gym in Tulsa or how to sleep better. You write a 7 to 1,000 word blog post with proper SEO formatting, like titles, H1s, H2s, like the headings. Submit to Google Search Console, and then share on Reddit or Quora to get a few early clicks. And if you can rank this even slightly, you prove you understand search intent and basic SEO. SEO is starting to change a little bit. I know AI is getting involved. So definitely you can use AI to help you, with SEO part, writing some of the content, rough drafting it, but you definitely want to go in, clean it up yourself. And third, building a simple email funnel if you want to get into email marketing. You can make some sort of PDF or a Google Doc, something simple like make a lead magnet. And then 5 AI tools for productivity. You build a landing page. You can use ConvertKit or Beehive or any other simple web page builder. Even Carrd, for example, you could use. And then set up 3 to 5 follow-up emails. And then drive free traffic using Reddit, TikTok, Twitter, anything along those lines. And now you have a live funnel with opt-ins, open rates, clicks, data, real assets you can show. And if you're having trouble building out the email funnel, I know obviously it might be tough to get traffic over time. So you can always talk to ChatGPT, look at the statistics for, the project that you're doing, average click-through rates, open rates, opt-ins, and then you can kind of create a mock project around that, use those metrics, and then you can just say, hey, like I looked in the averages, and based on how I built out my marketing, my email marketing campaign, these are the results. On average, you can do something like that too if you want to do something quick. But I recommend just getting the project out, You don't have to be a perfectionist about it. Honestly, getting it done at like 70, 80% of the way is better than just trying to take too long and get 100%. So let's try to get it out. Speed is prioritized here. Don't do it sloppy, but when you're first starting out, you want to just put in the reps. An important reminder is, eventually client work is the goal. This is just for complete beginners who don't know too much about marketing at all, are interested in trying to figure out what to do. Start off doing a simple project, use AI to help you with it. Obviously, proofread it yourself, change things up. But we have all the tools available to help you get a digital marketing job in this day and age. And if you have internet, you have access to a computer, phone, you have no excuses. So eventually, client work is the goal, right? So after you do these for yourself, you could do a little bit of outreach, go on Upwork or Fiverr, reach out to different local businesses in your area and try to help them out with whatever marketing projects or work that they need done. Then you can add those to your portfolio over time. And yeah, it pays, build your portfolio, and that teaches you how to work with real businesses. And in the beginning, mock projects are 100% fine, especially when done well and tracked like real campaigns, because that's what's really going to matter. Employers want to see proof of what you've done, how organized, how easily you can communicate what you've done. So what matters is that you execute, measure, and share the results. So yeah, if you do that, you'll stand out from 99% of other applicants trying to get a marketing job. And that's it, guys. Hope you found that useful. If you want a free blueprint on how to land a digital marketing job in 2026, go ahead and check out my website, chriswin.com, down below, and sign up. You can get it for free. And if you want some more in-depth help, maybe you want some extra eyes on kind of your situation, you can go ahead and book a free call with me down below. I have my Calendly link down there. It's a free call. And that's it, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.